Hi, Christophe. We've seen your presentation today with the studio at the ETH Zurich, and I find it interesting that you guys are so far, yet so close to the Ciliwung River settlement, and what you did with the kampung there. Why would you choose kampungs in Jakarta? Are they so full of potentials to work with?
We chose Jakarta because it's a city that hasn't been studied that much in terms of the environmental conditions within a city, within a mega city. And we see the Ciliwung River in particular with its kampungs, particularly Kampung Melayu, and its urban flooding problematic as a great case study for students here at the ETH. We've been developing very strong tools of modeling and visualizing and working on this idea that we could probably modify the kampung by doubling its density and simply experimenting with different kind of modular approaches to design. The main question that's come up in this student, I find it interesting, is you start designing the city to the river or the river to the city? And this remains an open question that should probably be debated in Jakarta too in the coming months and years.
By doubling the density, there is a need of verticality, which some of your students take forward. So I've seen some very good propositions or potentials for vertical kampung. Do you believe in that possibility of vertical kampung?
I believe in a vertical kampung so long as we keep the pedestrian quality there. I don't believe in big machines. We limited the height of buildings to walk-up heights, and I think you can easily double the population there by keeping a walk-up typology in the kampung. I think if we're going to talk about kampung, we can't talk about skyscrapers. I think one has to be a little bit cautious about that. But going up to 6 stories, eventually 7, 8 stories with sort of duplex structures within them, I think that's definitely a possibility and would really improve the quality of life there.
Okay, thank you very much, Christophe, and I see you in July to be in the review of the vertical kampung.
It's a pleasure seeing you, Daliana.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.